I'm reefing with y'all like y'all reefing with me. Now let's jump to the video y'all came to see. So let's get into this video. This is my 5-gallon Nano reef tank. Yes, it's only a couple days old. I think about 6 days old now. It seems to be doing pretty good. In this video, I will show you how I feed these zoas in order to get them to double in size and get them to start to thrive. I make sure that I feed every one of them so they all get some food to eat. Just like human beings, corals also should be fed too. It improves the survivability of the coral, along with it helps them grow. So I have seen in the past that my zoas decide to multiply after feeding them this paste sludge that I have created from the leftover fluid that comes out of a cube of brine shrimp and fish food. So coming up here, I will show you the process that I use to get this extra fluid off of the fish food in order for me to feed it to the corals. I use my net as a strainer, and I put a couple cubes into the net and set it over a cup, and I let it run off the drainage off of the frozen fish food. I then suck it up out of the cup with the syringe that I get from Walgreens, the needleless syringe that you can get for free from Walgreens. I then suck it up in there and I dose it to every coral into its mouth. I am not exactly sure what in it makes the corals grow a little faster, but it seems to work. Anyways, here's the tank. Here's the update. I have 27 more of these to make for you guys, one every day. Thanks for stopping by, and make sure you thumbs up.